Hey guys, Ronnie from Southern Food Junkie. Today we're bringing you a product review with the kids. This is Tim Tams dark chocolate cookies. We're going to try these out. I've seen these on sale at Target at Christmas time. It says they're irresistible, chocolatey happiness in a biscuit. Let's get food jump. We'll open these up and we're going to see what's in here. Now guys, we got to give our honest review. When you taste it, don't just throw it in there and give it a thumbs up. You got to let me know if you like it or not, okay? Alright, let's do it. The kids are still home from spring break and they've been relaxing in their PJs all day. Christmas break. What you smell? What's it smell like?
It smells like milk chocolate, but it says it's dark chocolate.
This is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a little bit bitter. And to be honest, the kids here don't really like dark chocolate, but I do. I love dark chocolate. Alright, let's hold on, let's get a little close up of a biscuit. Bentleys, Morgans, and Bentleys. Alright, we're gonna hold up. I'm gonna use the one that I already broke. Alright. One, 2, 3.
I think it's really good.
I like that. You like it really?
Right.
You really like it? It's pretty much a chocolate covered cookie, but it also has a filling on the inside. So it's soft on the outside, then crunchy, and then you get the soft of the inside. Is almost reminds me of a Three Musketeers. How you got that soft texture, that fluffy chocolate that's on the inside, and then the chocolate on the outside. It really tastes like milk chocolate to me. It don't really taste like dark chocolate. These are a winner though. I love these.
I think the way it's formed, I think it's kind of like a vanilla wafer. I don't know why.
It don't taste like a vanilla wafer though.
It don't. I kind of taste like a cookie.
It's good.
Chocolate. Strawberry kind of has chocolate.
Alright guys, well, we appreciate y'all joining us. If you stayed this long and this is your first time visiting, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. If you've been here before, then we want to welcome you back. And as always, we like to tell you to stick around, and we'll see y'all next time.